Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026 and telling you what to read and what to skip for UPSC aspirants. These are the must-read articles especially for polity, constitution and governance. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026, then don't waste time reading everything. I'll tell you the most important polity articles for UPSC. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First article was India about to make greatest decision of 21st century, PM. You can read it from page number 12. Subject relevance, polity, constitution, governance. Why important? Women's reservation implementation signals possible parliamentary seat expansion before 2029 elections. Important for constitutional amendment, parliament structure and women political representation. Very important for GS paper 2. Next article was delimitation will not affect southern states, says Goyal. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 13. Subject relevance, polity, federalism, governance. Why important? Delimitation affects Lok Sabha seat distribution after census. Southern states fear loss of seats due to population control success. Major issue of cooperative federalism. Very important for GS paper 2 and prelims. Next article was state census offices told to monitor online narratives. You can read it from page number 14, subject relevance, governance, polity, administration. Why important? Officials asked to monitor misinformation regarding census 2027. Census data as basis for welfare planning, reservation policy, delimitation and policy making. Important for GS paper 2 and prelims. Next article was why these topics matter together. You should read all three topics together. Subject relevance, constitution, governance. Why important? Census decides population data. Delimitation decides seat allocation. Women reservation may depend on new delimitation exercise. These topics are interconnected. Very important for UPSC mains analytical answers. What to skip today? Skip routine political statements, election blame games and non-policy speeches. Focus only on constitutional changes, census process and federal issues. Quick revision keywords. Women Reservation Act, Delimitation Commission, Census 2027, Federalism, Lok Sabha seats, Representation, Governance. If you want daily the Hindu UPSC filtering, subscribe now to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Study smart, not hard. Jai Hind.